Let's look at another 2 cards and see what combination comes up. The Nine of Swords. This is really the card that I like the least in the tarot. This is the never-ending nightmare. The guy's sitting here waking up from another nightmare. The swords are hanging over his head. I really don't like this. It's a card of anxiety. Together with the King of Wands. So this is a positive spin on it. So the King of Wands is the king of passion, the king of ideas, the bold king who doesn't really care what people think about him. He goes forward and he has a lot of energy. So maybe transforming your fears and worries and going for what you are looking for. This could also be a nightmare, a breakup, where the King of Wands is the reason for your nightmare or your breakup. Or this could really also just be about positive mindset and really seeing that you do have a choice. You don't have to have this recurring nightmare over and over and over again, and really just using your energy for the positive and moving forward for something that would really stop your anxiety, really turning around and using the positivity and going forward and changing your mindset.